So today, people, I'm gonna show you how to build a computer. Okay, let's get into it. Okay, first, you can get whatever you want, but you can get some quartz stairs. If you don't like quartz stairs, you can do this, all this. Yeah, you can do whatever you want. And slabs. Where's the slabs at? Oh my gosh, I lost the slabs. Oh, there it is. Okay, I'm gonna get quartz slabs, and I'm gonna put this 3 blocks like that. But I need this. I'm gonna put this behind here. Oops. Okay, put this. I'm gonna put this, and I'm gonna get some bedrock. I get some piston. Where's the piston? Piston. And a rail and a minecart. Okay, let's get into it. Okay, so it will be like this. And put the minecart over here. Drop it. Put some bedrock. So, oh no. Okay, I got it back. Sorry for I break the minecart. Oh, so hard to fly. There. And that's all you need. And take a sticky piston, point it like that, and place the chair. And there it is. Delete all of this. Oh, I forgot to some trapdoor. I'm gonna get some pale oak trapdoor, place it around so it cannot go anywhere. Like that. And surround it this first. And grab a painting and choose what painting you like. There. This is mine. Okay. And grab some anvil, put it like that so it looks like a PC. Yeah. And grab some why can I go down? Oh wait. So we have activator rails and that, but it looks weird when it looks that, but let's do that. And that. And sorry for laughing because it's so hard to build. And grab some birch button or whatever button you like. Put it, and there's the computer. And you can sit down and play. And yeah. If we hit 3 likes, I'll make a new video. See ya!